Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Celia. So today I'm going to show you do a hair review. Wigencounter sent me this headband wig and it's in the kinky straight, which I really love. I used some clippings on my last video, which I fell in love with, and now I have a headband wig, which makes things really easy because you just pop it on within a couple seconds and that's it. Y'all know I did a review showing you a kinky curly headband wig, so it's really simple. Headband wigs takes literally a couple seconds for you to just grab and go about your ways. It's really easy. Thanks for Wigencounters for sponsoring this video. I really like this wig. I love the fact that it is headband, because sometimes I can't bother with the lace. Like, I really can't bother with lace. I love to sleep without no wig on my head, and so this is like a quick grab and go and still looking nice, and it looks natural, like it could be my hair because of the texture. This is really soft. I washed the hair off camera, shed just a tiny bit, just a tiny bit, but other than that it only shed when I was washing it, because you guys know I always wash my weave before I install them, because I like to see the natural state when it's washed, not like the factory look, but I like to see how it looks after wash. So I washed it, and just to get any chemicals or whatever, you never know where these things are coming from, so I always wash them before. So I washed it, then I use my hooded dryer to dry it, then I curl it. I showed those clips when I was curling it. I think the last part I didn't really get, but yeah, this is how it looks. It looks nice. I love how it's keeping the curls so far. I didn't want anything too curly because the hair is already a little bit big, so I just wanted some waves in it. And yeah, the headband is really cute. I got a scarf with it. I haven't used it yet. It looks like it's cute, but I definitely like this headband instead of the scarf to wear. But check out Wigencounter Hair Company. All the information is gonna be listed in the description bar. So yeah, so let's get into it, and you guys can watch me do my hair. Okay guys, so this is a packaging. This is what it came in, and it came in a box, and in the box we had the wig, then a headband, then a head tie, and a wig cap, along with a card that gives you a little bit more details about the company. So this is how the wig looks right out of the packaging. The natural state came with four combs, one at the back, 3 at the front, and then I went ahead and washed it. This hair is kinky straight, 20 inches, 150 density. So I washed the hair off camera and then I put it to dry. Then I went ahead and style it on the mannequin head, because you guys know I can't curl my hair on my head. I need to start practicing that again, but I just did some waves. And yeah, the last part of the styling part, my camera died and I didn't realize, so I'm sorry about that. But now I'm gonna move on to installing this headband wig. Okay, so I'm gonna do my edges first. I won't do a lot because it don't make no sense. This is the wig. I wish they put the clip right here. Like, it doesn't make sense for them to put the clip right in here, but if you want, you can just remove it and then put it right here. But I'm gonna put it on then all you do is just snap this. If you guys watched my last video, then y'all would see I really love this. Head tie, should I use it? How does it work? This is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys like it. Please again check out Wigencounter. All the information is going to be in the description bar. So take care, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.